Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I have an interesting video on what I've been doing in the background since the new CHECKRA1N jailbreak has been released, and it's how to unlock iPhones, iPads, any iDevice, basically from the 5S to the iPhone 10. That's iCloud locked. Now, this tutorial is going to be meant for educational purposes only. This is not meant for you to go out and steal iPhones and then reclaim them as yours and then reselling them. This is definitely just for research purposes only, and I want to give big thanks to the developers for showing me how to do this. I'm not going to show names since this is all a very sophisticated design and how to do this. But anyways, guys, let me go ahead and show you how to do it. So I'm going to pull up my iPad right now, and then I'm going to show you what exactly is going on. So as you guys can see, I do have an activation locked iPad. This is my personal one that I've showed you guys in the last video on how to jailbreak it. So I went ahead and put it inside of an activation lock. So I'm just going to have this set off to the side right now. Just know that it is in fact locked at the moment. So the first thing you do want to type in is this whole entire command to get homebrew on your guys' MacBook. So I forgot to tell you guys that this is going to be only for Mac at the moment. If you guys want to run a Hackintosh, you guys can do that. But for right now, this is only going to be based on Mac since the tool is only Mac related as well. So go ahead and install Homebrew by copying this whole entire command right here and then pasting it inside of your terminal and then have it install. So I already have it installed, so it's going to be good to go. And the next thing that you want to install is the Libby mobile device, like I said. So go ahead and copy the first command inside of the description, and then just hit Control V and then paste it. It's going to take a little while for it to download everything. It took me about 5 minutes to download and have it completely installed, the whole entire package. But once that's done, you guys can go ahead and just continue with the rest of this tutorial. What you want to do now is you would want to connect your guys' iPad or iDevice that's iCloud locked inside of the computer. So I just plugged in mine right now, and then what you want to do is you want to open up Checkmate. Now inside of CHECKRA1N right here, as you guys can see, my iPad 6 is connected in normal mode. You want to go ahead and just hit start and go into the whole entire quote-unquote jailbreak process. So in a recovering mode, my iPad just went black right now. And now it's showing the restore process. iTunes just opened up. Go ahead and hit cancel here. And then you guys are going to have to go into DFU mode on your guys' device. So hit start and follow the on-screen instructions on how to get into it. I'm just going to speed this whole entire process up and just go through it since I already know what exactly to do. Now I'm going to go ahead and release the power button. Keep holding on the home button. And then soon I should go ahead and see iTunes opened up again, and it's going to exploit on the device. Alright, so CHECKRA1N is just installing. I have the verbose boot screen on my iPad, and this is completely normal if you guys are doing it correctly. And the Apple logo just displayed, and then it'll go ahead and just reboot to the springboard. But for right now, since it is iCloud locked, you will be back into the setup page. Go ahead and leave that alone, and then as you guys can see, it says all done. You guys can just leave that open off to the side. Next thing you want to type in is iProxy 2002 space 44. Now basically what this allows is a remote connection through via USB. Go ahead and hit that, and then with another terminal window open, you guys want to do SSH at root and then this IP address with the corresponding proxy server. So go ahead and do that. And then you guys might get this RSA key fingerprint, which allows the connection from your laptop to your iDevice. Go ahead and hit yes, and then the password to get into the iPad is going to be Alpine since it's by default. And then hit enter once more. And then you guys will see a command that says bash. If you guys see bash, you guys are good to go. This basically means you are inside of the file system and you are able and eligible to start messing around with the file system on the iDevice. So for the next thing you want to do is you want to run the next piece of code that allows you to start read-write access on the device. Have that done, and then you want to go ahead and copy the next one, and then this allows you to mount it, and then do the next command, which will be to move the setup app into a completely different file. From there, you want to do UI cache space tac all, and this is going to take a couple seconds since it's going to be doing something on the device. Oops, and I accidentally messed that up. We go ahead and try this whole entire process again. Okay, so I just reran the whole entire script. Basically, I accidentally unplugged my USB, but once that's done, you guys should see another command waiting for you to execute. And then the last thing you want to do is you want to kill backboard. So just do kill all space backboard with 2 Ds. And once that's done, your iDevice should go into a respring. So let me go and show you guys. So as you guys can see, it just resprung on my device, and then there you guys go. You guys are completely past the setup screen. There are some things that aren't working at the moment. So for example, cellular data is not going to be working, obviously, but you basically have full access to the file system and use of the iPad. So that's basically it, guys. It's a very simple tutorial on how to do it. Please, please, please do not use this to your guys' advantage with other devices. This is definitely just for educational purposes only and how to do it. This is just in case, for example, you forgot your password and you need to get back into your iDevice, or you have your old one that you, like I said, you just forgot and you want to reuse it again. And just like I said, this is meant only for educational purposes only. This is only for Mac at the moment. But if anything does update, I will go ahead and update you guys on how to do this with other devices as well as other operating systems as well. So that's basically it for this tutorial. If you guys liked it, go ahead and leave a like on this video. Subscribe to my channel to get more informational videos just like this in the future. And if you guys want to go ahead and follow me on my Discord, it'll be inside of the description. It is pretty lonely on that page. Go ahead and drop a join inside and say hi to me. So that's basically it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. This is EliteAppleHacks, and I'm out.